What's up, guys? It's your boy, Jaime G, coming at you on this Friday evening to drop you a video to let you know what's going on in the Wild Wild West of crypto land. Today's content is going to be on Dogecoin. We're going to get to levels of resistance and support, briefly look at the charts and see what it's saying. We're going to touch on some positive catalysts, right? I got a new platform that Doge just got recently listed on, which I think is extremely bullish, and it's positive catalyst because it's a well-known platform here in America. Then we're going to briefly touch on the crypto markets and see what's going on with Bitcoin. And there is a bullish article, in my opinion, right, that we're going to touch on right now. I'll explain to you and give you my opinion on why I'm extremely bullish on this article, and it can act as a very positive catalyst for just the whole crypto markets in general. Now, if all of that sounds good to you and you're not a subscriber to the channel, what you're waiting for, hit that subscription bell so you can be notified when I come through with the latest and greatest. And if you guys are feeling generous today on this Friday evening, maybe you can give your boy a fat thumbs up. I truly appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. And don't forget about my giveaway tomorrow. You got to stay tuned. I will drop direct instructions tomorrow when I drop my video. So stay tuned for that. All right, now let's dive right into the content. All right. Grandpa Bitcoin is currently at 37,242. It is up 0.88% for the day. It's looking good, guys. At least Bitcoin is up, right? Most of the markets are in the red, but we got Grandpa Bitcoin in the green, which is what we want. Why? Because the markets follow Grandpa. You know what I'm saying? His grandchildren follow him. All right. So we have a 24-hour high of 37,514, 24-hour low of 36,185. Market cap is sitting at 698.29 billion. And we have a 24-hour volume of 38.7. Guys, it's crucial that we have lots of volume, and we need the price to go up and we need volume to go up if we want Grandpa Bitcoin to continue to push up. You know what I'm saying? We have strong resistance at 38,000 now, right? We need to pass that 38,000 first, and then we got to pass that 40,000 level, right, of resistance. That's where that 200-day moving average is, right? And that's why a lot of people are have a bearish outlook on what's going on, because on the technical side of things, right, when you are underneath the 200-day moving average, technically that's a bearish signal, right? That's why so many people are they don't know which way it's going. You have people that are bearish, you have people that are bullish, and you have people that are undecisive. Why? Because of the technical side of things, right? Like I said, usually you want to be on top of the 200-day moving average, acting as support, not as resistance, which what is going on right now with Bitcoin. So that's why I say we need to pass that 38,000 and then that 40,000, right? So Bitcoin's got a lot of challenges ahead of them, but we got to stay positive, and I'm positive. I truly think that we're going to continue to push up. But anyways, that's just my opinion, not that it matters, right? All right, now let's quickly dive into this bullish article here, right, guys? Right, it says Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway invest in Bitcoin-friendly digital bank. Now, in my opinion, guys, this is extremely positive catalyst for crypto and for Bitcoin. Why? Because you have none other than Warren Buffett, a guru. He has major influence in the investment market, right, guys? In the stock market. So many people follow him, right? Like people follow Elon. It's the same thing with Mr. Warren Buffett. This guy knows what he's doing, and he's a greedy ass old man, right? Maybe he had a change of heart and says, shit, all these people are making all this money off of this Bitcoin and crypto stuff. Let me throw some chump change. Let me throw 500 mil in here and see what's going on, right? So that can start a domino effect, right? All the institutions or all people that have major money, right? Want to invest in digital assets just like Mr. Warren Buffett. Well, if Warren Buffett's doing it, then it must be good, right? So to me, that is a positive sentiment and positive catalyst for cryptocurrencies, for Bitcoin. Right now, if Bitcoin goes up, like I said, Dogecoin's going to go up with it as well, right, guys? So I think this is going to be a positive catalyst for the whole market in general. All right, now it says Berkshire Hathaway, the company led by CEO Warren Buffett, has invested $500 million in a pro-Bitcoin digital bank. Nubank says it will offer Bitcoin investment following its acquisition of a brokerage firm, Easy Invest, which offers the trading of Brazil's first Bitcoin exchange-traded fund. This is huge, guys, in my opinion. I mean, go look in Bitcoin.com if you want to finish reading the article. I just wanted to briefly touch on it because I think this can act as a positive catalyst and hopefully help the price of Bitcoin. Okay, guys, enough of Papa Bitcoin now. Let's get into Dogecoin here, the main star of the day. Obviously, currently ranks number 6. We're trading at 31 cents. At 31 cents, it is down 1.81% for the day. 24-hour high of 32 cents, and the 24-hour low is sitting at 31 cents. Market cap is sitting at $41.16 billion. And trading volume is extremely low. It's weak, guys. We're sitting at $1.81 billion. Man, we need more volume, but it's shown that on the weekends volume tends to go down. Things tend to be a little bit more volatile, and there tends to be a lot more selling than buying on the weekends. Always keep that in mind, right? It just tends to happen that way. Why? I don't know. All right, guys. Now let's get into this positive catalyst that I was talking about. So you have none other than Sofi, right? Which is a platform that Chamath, right? I don't know how to pronounce his last name. He's a multi-billionaire, right? Most people know who Chamath is, right? This is his, he helped start and invest into this Sofi platform. It says Dogecoin is now available on Sofi Invest. This is huge, guys, because it's just another platform to the list, right? Let's just go on and read a little bit about it, right? It says, time in fintech moves fast, like dog years fast. If you remember, back in February, we weren't so sure about Dogecoin for trading on Sofi Invest, given concerns about availability with our partners, network stability, and acceptance, among other things. But since then, we have reevaluated the coin, which has evolved in significant ways. Long story short, we heard you, and we are excited to now offer Dogecoin on Sofi. So it says, so what has changed since February? We've broadened our selection to 15 new coins. Okay. It says it was previously more difficult to offer Dogecoin because of custody and trading partners. Coinbase was not trading Doge. That has since changed. All right, guys. Now, like, if you want to continue to read on that, you can, right? Go look it up. But I just want to share, this is huge, guys, right? Yeah, it's just another platform. But guys, did you guys know that, let me grab my notes here. There is 96 exchanges, guys, that currently list Dogecoin. And there is 38 markets that have Dogecoin on it. This is huge, guys. Why? Because it's more available now for the retail investor, right? Globally, for people all throughout the world to be able to purchase Dogecoin, which would act as a positive catalyst, right? In my opinion, right? Then you have the 1,400 companies, right, that accept Dogecoin. I made a video about that yesterday. If you want to go look it up, you can. It was in yesterday's video. You have 1,400 companies, from big to little, right? From the Dallas Mavericks to a brick and mortar company, such as the new company that was just in the news. It's called Ragamuffin, right? It's a brick and mortar mop store in Brooklyn, right? But it just goes to show you more major adoption, more acceptance, right, of Dogecoin for cryptocurrency. This is huge, guys. I can't stress enough how much we are in the beginning stages of adoption, right? It's like the internet, the beginning of the internet, guys. So many people frowned upon the internet and said it probably wouldn't amount to nothing. Why? Because for one, of the technology, they knew nothing about it, right? They didn't think people were going to stare at a computer for many hours. And like I say, look at us now. Well, it's the same thing with cryptocurrency. Why? People don't understand the technology behind it. Therefore, they're scared of it. And then if you're scared of something, what do? You're going to trash it or talk bad about it. Why? Because you don't understand it and you know nothing about it, right? That's just my opinion, right? That's why I think a lot of these investors, a lot of these, JP Morgans and all these other people, they're scared of it, right? And not just that, right? It's decentralized. Therefore, the banks have no power, no control, right? And they want to have the power they have for so many years. That's why they're threatened by cryptocurrency. But I'm here to tell you, it is not going nowhere. Patience will be rewarded, guys. Now, let's briefly look at the charts real quick and see what's going on. I meant to do that earlier, guys. I apologize. So let's just briefly look at the charts here and see what's going on. We're going to close out by looking at the chart here. Let me turn my chart sideways. All right, guys. I like to look. Let me get my handsome self to the corner here. I obviously like to look at the weekly chart. Okay, guys. So obviously, every single one of these candles represents a week, guys. Okay, let me open this up bigger. All right, guys, we're going to start with the support level first. Okay, so as you can see, right, these are all weekly candles here. Okay, so as I am underneath the very biggest red candle. I am on top of the undecisive candle. I am underneath the green candle, and I am underneath the wick of the very last candle. And that is currently sitting at 0.3083. Now, for me, I round that off to 31 cents. You could technically say 30 cents if you choose the 30 cents area. I'm going to say the 31 cents, okay? So therefore, that is acting as a very strong level of support at 31 cents, guys. But that was actually acting as a level of resistance as well not too long ago, if you guys don't remember. When we had that positive catalyst about the Coinbase Pro listing, right, we were using that as resistance. Therefore, we broke through it. We shot up all the way to 44 cents, and then we retraced to that 30 cents, 37 cents area of resistance that we're currently going to get into here in a second. But what I'm trying to say is that we had that also as a level of resistance. So this is a pretty key level for us, guys, which is pretty good though, right? Considering that back in January, we were just like at 6 cents, right, guys? But this 31 cents area has been holding pretty strong for the past 4 weeks, right? That's saying a lot, right? That's saying a lot for Dogecoin. It's been holding its ground. So 31 cents is a strong level of support, okay, guys? So now let's get into the resistance. So as I get on top of the, we're going to look at the last 2 candles, okay? The green one and the last red one. As you can see, I am on top of the red one. I'm on top of the green one. And I'm almost on the top of this undecisive wick, guys. So this is a very, very strong level of resistance. Like I said, we broke past it briefly, right? When we shot up to that 44 cents. And then we came back down, right, when we had that Coinbase Pro listing. But nonetheless, we've been consolidating, as you can see, for around 3 weeks on this 37 cents area. Now, consolidating, guys. Now, for those of you that may not know, that means trading sideways, okay? The price is going sideways, right? It keeps ranging up and down, high, low, right, guys? So that just means the price is undecisive. It doesn't know whether it wants to break to the upside or to the downside, right? But we're hoping after all this consolidating, right, it's going to act like a spring and hopefully shoot to the upside. But I don't know, right? I'm not psychic, right? But the charts are showing me that this is a very strong level of resistance. Therefore, guys, 2 key levels to keep an eye out on. 37 cents for level of resistance. As you can see, for the past 3 weeks, we've been consolidating right here, okay? And 31 cents for the level of support. All right, guys, that's what your boy had for you on this Friday evening. Hopefully, you guys have a wonderfully blessed night. Stay safe. Hopefully, this video was insightful, useful. If it was, please consider to like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Do not forget about my giveaway, guys. And till tomorrow, stay tuned for the instructions for that giveaway. Peace.